Do you own an RV and enjoy camping on these nice summer days? And when you get out to your camp spot, you forgot your blocking at home, or maybe someone split it into kindling and burnt it on you, so now you have no blocking for your hitch. Stick around for this week's feature. It's going to alleviate some of that stress when you go looking for blocking. Welcome to another edition of Fraser's Friday Feature. This week's feature product deals with RV trailers and more specifically RV hitches. Now you'll notice on this hitch here, the pad at the bottom is fairly small and it will eventually sink into that asphalt, especially on a hot day like today. It'll sink even more if you're on soft ground, if you're out west camping, and even at a campground, it will sink into the soft soil. So what you need is more surface area. Now, traditionally, what we've done is we've used blocking. Now, sometimes you forget the blocking at home, or maybe someone's created kindling out of the blocking to start the campfire. So now you have nothing to prevent that pad from sinking into the ground. Our feature product this week is our SnapPad. So it's made out of recycled rubber, so environmentally friendly. This lip it has on here actually will take the pad and snap it in, hence the name. So it locks in there and it's permanently on the pad. So you've got great surface area. You also have some traction here, so if you're maybe parked on some gravel that maybe a piece of wood would slide, the rubber will stick better to that gravel. It's longevity, it's durable. It's also good for temperatures to minus 40 degrees Celsius and up towards plus 50 degrees Celsius. So very durable, very versatile. So basically, we'll put a link in the video as well, so you can actually go to the SnapPad site. But basically, you would lift this trailer up, put the pad under there, and then snap the jack pad in there. These come in various sizes. You can get them for larger pads, for say on a big diesel pusher or a fifth wheel. So there's multiple sizes that fit all the jacks that are out there. So very good product, very durable, very convenient. You don't have to pack wood around with you to block up the jack. If you have any questions on this product, it's called SnapPad. Give us a call here at Edwards Garage and Edwards RV at 403-845-3328. You can ask for parts, but you can always ask for me, Mark, and I can help you out.